Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're unlocking something literally game-changing. We're going to demystify exactly how you can create complete, cinematic product advertisements using totally free AI tools like Google Omni. If you've ever wanted to produce high-end, user-generated content without blowing a massive budget, right from your Android phone or your PC, you are in the exact right place. Get ready, because we're about to turn your device into a full-fledged production studio.
Let's be real for a second. Are you completely over expensive ad shoots? I mean, think about the painfully high costs of renting camera gear, booking studio time, setting up lighting, and paying actors. It all adds up painfully fast, and it leaves independent creators and small businesses at a massive disadvantage. But AI is stepping in as the ultimate leveler. Today, we're going to see how artificial intelligence completely bypasses all those massive expenses, allowing anyone with an internet connection to produce agency-quality commercials.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our blueprint for today's explainer. First, the free AI Studio. 2. Gathering visual assets. 3. Structuring with JSON prompts. 4. Generating the video. And finally, polishing your final ad.
Section 1. The Free AI Studio. We're leveling the playing field with Google Omni. 1,000. That's the magic number you need to remember. According to our source material, when you set up a Gemini Pro account, you receive a whopping 1,000 free processing credits every single month. To put that into perspective, that's enough juice to crank out 12 to 15 full high-quality ad sequences. Oh, and here's a crazy tip straight from the data. If you happen to be a Geo user in India right now, there's a current promo allowing you to claim 18 months of this premium access totally for free. Honestly, it's a staggering amount of resources just sitting there waiting for you.
Moving on to Section 2. Gathering visual assets. These are essentially the base ingredients for your ad.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how visually simple this recipe is. To start cooking up an ad, you just need 2 distinct visual inputs. First up, your product photo. This needs to be a super clean, clear image of what you're actually selling. Maybe it's a premium leather bag, a beauty serum, or some clothes. Second, an AI influencer photo. You can easily whip up a generated digital avatar, or honestly just clone your own face. But, and this is a massive rule here, do not use photos of famous celebrities. Doing that is going to trigger immediate policy violations, and Google systems will literally block your generation to protect image rights. So stick to original avatars or just use yourself.
Which brings us to Section 3, structuring with JSON prompts. This right here is the secret weapon for realistic AI behavior.
So what exactly do we mean here? A JSON prompt is a highly structured prompt that basically acts like a coded script. Normal prompts are usually way too vague. If you just tell an AI, hey, make an ad about a bag, it gets completely confused. But a JSON prompt gives the AI super precise, categorized directions on exactly how a model should behave, what the lighting should look like, and what the script is. Think of it like a movie director handing a strict scene-by-scene formatted script to a human actor. The AI knows exactly what to do, leaving absolutely zero room for messy interpretations.
Now, you might be wondering, why does this method work so much better? Well, first off, it generates incredibly natural human behavior. By taking a massive, detailed template and pasting it straight into the free version of ChatGPT, you can instruct the language model to slice your commercial into 5 distinct, manageable scenes. This step-by-step breakdown is absolutely crucial for perfect product showcasing. The AI actually knows when to focus on the influencer's face and when to cut away to a gorgeous B-roll shot of the product itself. Plus, the JSON structure perfectly bakes in specific dialogue, timing the lip sync right to your exact marketing message. It's honestly brilliant.
All right, Section 4, generating the video. Let's bring those assets to life in Google Flow.
Okay, let me be your over-the-shoulder guide for a second here. It's literally just 4 simple clicks. Step 1, upload those product and influencer images we prepared earlier into the workspace. Step 2, pick your aspect ratio. Go with 16:9 if you're making a standard YouTube ad, or choose 9:16 if you're targeting mobile platforms like Reels or Shorts. Step 3, take that JSON prompt part 1 that ChatGPT generated for you and paste it straight into the prompt box. Step 4, set your clip duration to 10 seconds and smash that generate button. You're basically sitting in the director's chair right now, pushing the buttons to make the magic happen. And I really want to highlight this incredibly empowering feature from the source material. It says, you can easily change the dialogue in the prompt to make the AI say whatever you want to sell your product. This is huge. Before you ever hit that generate button, you have 100% total creative control over the script. If the AI-generated script doesn't quite vibe with your brand's voice, no problem at all. Just type in exactly what you want the avatar to say. You are totally in charge.
So once that first clip is baked, you just rinse and repeat the process for all 5 JSON scenes to build out your complete commercial sequence. And this brilliantly illustrates a core video production principle. By breaking the ad down into these bite-sized 10-second chunks, you aren't just staring at some static, boring image. You're actually crafting a dynamic, multi-angle commercial that grabs the viewer right from the hook all the way to the call to action.
Finally, Section 5. Polishing your final ad. It's time to put the pieces together.
Now don't stress, you definitely don't need to be a professional video editor for this part. Stitching these clips together is ridiculously simple. First, just download all 5 of your generated scenes in crisp 1080p resolution. Next, fire up a free editing software. Apps like VN on your smartphone or Filmora on your PC work wonderfully for this. Import your clips sequentially, 1 through 5, and then just play it back. Review the narrative flow and make sure the whole story actually makes sense.
Now, depending on the tool tier you're using, you might spot a little Google watermark on your raw clips, but the source material shares this incredibly practical workflow to nuke it. Step 1, go over to the website 123apps.com. Step 2, click their Remove Logo from Video tool. Step 3, just drag the digital box right over the watermark. And Step 4, export your clean video in 720p. Or honestly, if you want an even faster trick right inside your video editor, you can simply zoom in slightly or crop the bottom of the video to hide it. It's a super quick fix that totally elevates the professionalism of your final ad.
And boom, just like that, your virtual studio is closed. Your premium user-generated content style ad is fully rendered and ready to hit publish. Seriously, I want to congratulate you on getting through this masterclass. Just think about the massive value you've just created here. You made a multi-angle, scripted commercial complete with a virtual influencer showcasing your product, all on your own device, for literally $0. It is a true game-changer workflow.
So to wrap things up, I want to leave you with one final provocative question to get those creative gears turning. What product is your AI influencer going to sell today? I mean, the tech is here, the studio is totally free, and you've got the exact blueprint right in your hands. Go out there, start experimenting with these tools, and see what kind of magic you can build. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer.